Hello everyone, let's dive into the DGAS MB102 Breadboard Power Supply Module. This little gadget is a must-have for anyone working with breadboards, especially if you're into Arduino projects. You get 5 of these modules in a pack, which is fantastic value. The primary function of this module is to provide a stable and selectable power source directly to your breadboard. It's compatible with both 5V and 3.3V, catering to a wide range of microcontrollers and components. Setting it up is a breeze. It fits perfectly onto an MB102 breadboard, providing a clean and efficient power solution. One of the standout features is the independent control for the top and bottom power rails. Each side can be independently switched between 0V, 3.3V, and 5V. This is incredibly useful when you have different components on the same breadboard requiring different voltage levels. No more messy jumper wires or external power supplies cluttering your workspace. The module offers 2 sets of 3.3V and 5V DC output pins, which are super handy for connecting external devices or sensors that need a regulated power supply. The input voltage can range from DC 6.5V to 12V, giving you some flexibility in your power source. Alternatively, you can power it via USB, which is convenient if you're working near a computer. It's important to note that the output current is limited to less than 700 milliamperes. This should be sufficient for most basic projects, but keep it in mind if you're planning to power more demanding components. In terms of build quality, the module feels solid and well-constructed. The black color gives it a sleek and professional look. Its compact dimensions, 1.38 by 0.79 by 0.39 inches, mean it won't take up too much space on your breadboard. At just 0.06 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to handle. Overall, the DGAS MB102 Breadboard Power Supply Module is a fantastic addition to any electronics enthusiast toolkit. Its versatility, ease of use, and independent control features make it a top choice for powering breadboard projects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, this module will undoubtedly simplify your prototyping process.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.